We put teachers on a high pedestal, but then we also pay them a pittance as salary.
The 6 pay commissions, the salary levels have gone up for teachers.
People walk in to become teachers because they have nothing else to do in life.
Why can't institutions go public and have shareholders and teachers get ESOPs as incentives?
That is like business driving education.
It is minting money, and it is not the parents who are pressurizing. It is the teachers who want to get some extra money.
If I give an application as a teacher, the first thing you look at is what my degree is. You won't ask me what my passion is.
Is teaching losing its charm?
For abnormally depraved mind, death is the deterrent.
15 executions in the last 18 years in India. So where's the fear factor here?
You don't give a person a chance to reflect, to decide to reform.
Can you reform a person who has committed the murder and rape of a 7-year-old girl?
Wherever death penalty has been abolished, there has been no instance of rising of the crime.
Today, one political party man does something for ex-political leader. The other person who knows that there is a death penalty will not try to attempt this for the second time.
Solitary confinement, which is against human rights.
Any punishment you say is against human rights?
No punishment, yes. See, till the day you are visited with law, you will laugh.
மனித உரிமைக்களங்கிறது பாதிக்கப்பட்டவங்க பாதுகாப்பாக இருக்கணும் ஒழிய அராஜகம் பண்ணனுக்கு எப்படி பாதுகாப்பாக இருக்க முடியும்?
Is it then a dictum of murder and let live? Going by the audience clearly, it seems that the hangman should keep his job. Are the civil services attracting the best talent?
Cornell students who worked hard did not even make it to prelims.
When we boil water, only the scum comes up. So maybe the scum is only being selected. UPSC, they want to test the moral and ethical aptitude also. Does it mean that they have not been selecting people with moral and ethical attitudes?
Bureaucrats today are increasingly becoming stooges of their political masters.
Political interference is a myth. They'll interfere if you are interfering.
Most of the time we don't get recognized. We are not appreciated. Only when there's a problem, people point fingers to us.
It's important for us in bureaucracy to remain faceless, and it's only our actions that need to be fed.
You get easily branded. It's like a roller coaster ride. As the pendulum swings every 5 years, bunch of officers who immediately go on deputation to avoid a witch hunt.
Indian Air Force takes Tendulkar as its group captain, as its brand ambassador. Civil service doesn't advertise itself.
Usually those who criticize the service, it's a case of sour grapes. Public violence is okay. Urinating in public is okay.
Definitely.
Smoking in public is okay. But public display of affection is not.
You can have any display of affection in the confines of your own private place, but not in a public place.
Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Vulgarity too lies in the eyes of the beholder.
What you do in the Bahamas, probably sunbathing there, you cannot necessarily do in the Marina Beach.
Why can't I do it? Would you, with your wife, if you get married, with your wife, go down to Marina Beach and in full public view, kiss her in the mouth? Yes or no?
You're in a movie theater, you're watching pelvic thrusting on screen.
So,
you're okay with that, but you're not okay with couple of people making
and start the same display in public.
And are manufacturers of outrage just hungry for attention and publicity? Why do you go to 10 Downing Street? Do you go to 10 Downing Street or not? I've seen you there.
I have
You go?
Yeah.
Why do you go?
See, I used to go there, see what's happening over there.
In a holy place like church, the first thing couple do after getting married is kissing each other.
At age of 18, you vote. You are capable of deciding the future of this country at the age
just
of 18.
at the age of 18, they can't give you a right.
Public display of affection, is it a private matter or a public nuisance? Residential projects in suburbs that many of us have not even heard of, and that too at exorbitant rates.
You call suburb today is not tomorrow as urban. wanted
You have an affordable apartment in Vandalur and you work in Mount Road.
Sir, you
How
wanted
is
to
that,
live. You wanted to live in Poets Garden.
Only Indra knew you'd say, yeah, right choice, baby.
People are a lot more open to traveling 45 minutes.
You have Lewis Hamilton as your driver, or whether you have a private chopper.
Everybody wanting to have a house, it's a dream. But after they take up a house, it becomes a nightmare. You default on a payment, the bank, the loan sharks are on your doorstep.
Approvals don't come in a year's time. Now that adds to his cost of 10 to 15%.
Why does he want to launch the scheme without a sanction?
You cannot throw away common man from city to outer area.
Tax considerations, subsidy considerations, registration considerations, property tax considerations. Today 1.5 lakh is the tax benefit, but it can be increased to 3 lakh.
OMR, Navalur, Padur, all these places were very cheap. After the builders enter into those places, now the land rate has boosted up to 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs.
Why people are buying?
No, it is been made as a demand, artificially demand by the builders only.
Artificial demand cannot continue and sustain, sir.
Affordable housing, a reality or a hollow slogan? The coverage of the Ayodhya verdict is perhaps a shining example of self-regulation and restraint.
One place where there was utter and absolute chaos, where the media persons were all gathered to get the information.
The collapse of a bridge, does that automatically imply the collapse of national pride?
We gave you 71,000 crores of money, 3 years to do the job, and you still can't do it?
Mangalore crash, where you actually barge into ICUs and hold the mic, and you have survivors giving statements and that being flashed as breaking news even when the doctor is examining them.
I will go anywhere to get to the bottom of the facts. We are trying to reach you somehow.
That's exactly the point. We have to reach you somehow.
If you want to do emotion and histrionics, please start an entertainment channel. Please do Saas Bahu serials.
How many cases of, Rathos kind of cases were reopened suo motu by the courts without the media intervening?
Not your job to do that. This has happened only in the era of TRPs.
Anyone ever know the amount of deaths that happened in Kalagatti if Sainath and the others did not write about it?
This is a rare example.
Sainath also did an exclusive expose on paid news in the media.
And Jessica Lal case, when it's a socialite, all of you wake up.
Jessica Lal is important because her killers would have gotten away.
Is the media today sensitive or sensational? What explains the phenomenon of a 60-year-old man getting more applause than even a former Miss World?
Please remember, MGR was 62 years old when he pulled off a huge hit called Ulagam Suttrum Bollywood.
This man has a one-man industry.
He is an actor killed by the star.
Marketing exists because of Rajnikant's star power.
Cool. Released his 2 films on the same day. NTR had the guts. In Casino, Anbeva, Gaiti, Mugarasi, Shivaji Ganesan, Engirundo Vandal in Shanti Theatre, Swargam in the Devi Paradise.
Rajini's film is global today, simply because you have a huge diaspora of VM Tamils.
Chandramukhi was dubbed into German. It was called the Meister Jagger and it made phenomenal amounts of money in Germany.
Tamil Nadu is known for 2 things, filter coffee and Rajnikant.
Last but not least,
the Rajnikant phenomenon, is it star power or marketing muscle? Fleecing is in an auto driver's DNA, they say.
One of the main reasons is they have not been paid well.
Most of us are accustomed to annual increments, but they have not got an auto fare hike from 2007.
8 years before, they are around 6 rupees per kilometer. At that time, 32 rupees per litre petrol. Now 62 rupees.
they need to make a certain amount of money and you are not willing to pay them that.
They are fleecing people.
Oh, please.
They
sir,
are
come on.
making money by cheating people.
Meters will run faster than Hussein Bolt.
The auto fares in Hyderabad, Calcutta and Bangalore, Hyderabad, they are lesser than the present price.
Trivandrum to Central, we are collecting 150 to 180 maximum. Then again we will return back completely empty. Other states not like this.
The term honest auto driver has become an oxymoron. The auto driver is also the worst advertisement for the city.
Don't keep pushing the Madras auto driver. I can show me somebody who has built a major house, sir, with autos.
You come with me?
Yeah, I will. I take a challenge. I take a challenge with you right now in public.
I got 2 houses, 5 autos. I can show you. Can you do that? I will show you. Let's put it.
Complaints are not viewed seriously, and that is because many auto rickshaws are owned by transport department officials or policemen.
When MPs are raising the salary in the Parliament House, why not they increase our fare?